What is up guys, Adarsh here, and today I'm gonna be talking about my first service experience with the GT650, and I'm also gonna be pointing out how service centers try to trick you into paying more than you should. Now let's get started. So I'm gonna be dividing this video in two parts. The first part will obviously be about the first service experience with my GT, and the second part will be how they try to fool you, the service centers that is. So the first service costed me around 2800 rupees if I'm not wrong. Now I'll obviously stick the bill in the video, and you might see that the total amount says 2600, but I paid 2800. Why? Because that's how they tricked me. So I'm gonna be talking about this particular thing in the second part of the video. So I paid around 2800 rupees, and in that service I got the engine oil replaced, I got the oil filter replaced, and they cleaned the filter, the air filter that is. They cleaned the battery terminals and they put grease on it, because battery terminals catch carbon very fast, and grease prevents that. And yeah, my bike has definitely gotten smoother after that, and there's no major problems after my first service. Now I guess that's it. I'm not gonna show you the whole service video as I didn't record it, because you can find that anywhere in YouTube. I wanted this to be short and informative, but I think it'll get pretty long. So now let's get to the second part of the video, how service centers try to fool you or trick you. So back to the story, how I paid and why I paid the 200 extra. So I was there the whole time, right? And I didn't even got away from a bike for a second. I was there when they washed it, I was there when they changed the oil, I was there when they changed the oil filter. No one touched my chain, I mean my back chain that is. And they included 200 extra rupees for the chain lube and cleaning, but they didn't clean my chain or lube my chain, right? So I started arguing with them, and they were like, yeah sir, sorry, we thought it is already done. The useless excuses, right? So after that, I have already paid 2800 before seeing the bill. That was my fault. So I had to get it lubed and chain for the 200 extra I paid, right? So I got it done in front of my eyes, and they cleaned and lubed my chain. So that's that. But I'll suggest you should not get your chain lubed or cleaned at the service center. Why? Because they charge around 200 to 250 rupees and more depending on the brand, right? So in 200 to 250 rupees you'll get a new bottle of a chain lube from Royal Enfield, right? But most of the chain lubes are pretty bad, because they obviously lube the chain, I give them that, but they attract a lot of dust, and that creates a lot of muck, and that will destroy the look of your rear end, and it will get pretty dirty very soon. I came across a very nice lube. It stays dry from the outside and it is wet from the inside, right? So it doesn't attract dust, but it does its job pretty well. I'll definitely make another video for that. Yeah. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos, so make sure subscribe, right? So yeah, and the first point was this, the chain lube and thing. That's how they trick you. And the second point is the labor hours, or how much they charge per hour for the labor. So what that means is that usually a service center will charge you, like usually they charge around 150 to 180 rupees per hour, and that's why you might have heard whenever you go to a service center, they'll tell you, if you're going in the morning that is, they'll tell you ab sham ko aana, right? That's a trick. That's how they fool you. And if you are leaving your bike for 5 to 6 hours, you can calculate how much you're wasting the money. So better get yourself free for 2 to 3 hours and ring the service center before you go there if the service center is free, and if they're free you go, and whatever they're doing to your bike you should watch it, because sometimes if a service guy is naive they'll probably end up damaging your bike, and we don't want that, right? So better watch whatever is being done to your bike, and you'll save yourself money and time. So that was the second point. Now the third and the last point is, sometime, it's very rare first of all, but sometimes service centers take out petrol or fuel from your vehicle, and they'll probably take it out for their demo vehicles or something. They'll obviously they take out a very small amount, like half a liter maximum, but so that is also a big deal, you know, like half a liter from every bike. They're profiting around 6 to 7 liters. Yeah, 6 to 7 liters. That's a lot of petrol, man. And I guess that was it, and I think I should end this. So make sure subscribe, because a lot of videos are on their way. So I hope you guys wear a helmet whenever you go out, because you really should. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.